Wait here. Slow walking, son of bitches.
I want to be like,
I feel ready.
You want to put it? Sexy operator pose. Alright. Now, if they're going to mortar buildings, then we're going to have to move this fucker.
So that's where they got to go to for the mortar, right?
I think so. No, Nick, where'd you want to put that?
When do they start? When do we?
Put it in the
I'm confused.
prison. Because if a bunch of us go in that building, they'll think it's in there.
Yeah, so we should have a couple of us in the prison building.
So if you guys want, like,
put it in there with us.
Us 4 can go in that art prison building, and then everyone else can go in there. And then
Is it easy for them to flank, or can we put it right in here in the back?
No, they're gonna cover both sides.
Is that easy for them to get?
They're probably gonna spawn from both ways.
Oh, both ways?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's right. Sorry.
Prison's hard to attack. Is that one stairwell?
Yeah,
I'm
that's the thing. It has one stairwell.
Yeah, probably the best place.
Make sure we don't want a lot of people in there because then they'll think it's there.
Yeah.
So we want them to think we're here for the mortar. Like waste their time getting a mortar.
So we can go anywhere right now?
Yeah. We can go anywhere in the city.
Within the city.
That building is really nice. The command center's off.
Brandon! Let's go, bitch. Me?
Yeah, brother. Better hurry up. Get pink tape. You're on pink.
They said the teams were uneven by 13 people. You gotta go over there.
No. Do I need tape?
How's it going, Dave?
Yeah, just take some. Put it on.
Hey. Tie this on.
I just see fucking two. Huh?
This one you guys were at. Here, tie this on quick.
No, that's command center. Let's take that building. That's detention center. I already got it. Oh, you need it?
Where do you want to go? Up here and wait?
No, the B building over here to the right.
We can't go in there.
What's that? That's 3.
Hey, we can go in there, right? We can go in there?
What?
We can go in there?
No.
Oh.
That was closed off. That one blew up.
Can I make a deal with you?
No, it's blown up.
I rebuilt it.
For the day it's blown up?
Yeah.
Or, oh.
I rebuilt it.
No.
Damn it.
$400 and you can go in there.
I don't have.
That's the copy you built it.
I spent it all on my gun.
Hey. Oh, you already in there?
Yeah. Hey, we need to go somewhere else. No, we need to go somewhere else so it doesn't look like they're here. So let's go.
So go in another building. It's kind of like we're gonna be super quiet.
Will you let us know when you're starting?
All right, come on. Let's take the third story.
Okay.
Let's take the third story.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm rocking an SMG, boy. Just so you know.
I'm rocking a rifle. I'll stay up at the top. If they start coming up, just let me know. They might try and raise the flag or some bullshit because it looks like it's set up that way too.
We got the most angles. I mean, range.
Yeah. Hey, we're taking this building. If one of y'all want to join.
I'll make sure they don't pop up on me. You go to the very top. Anyone got a knife?
Come on third. If you want a second, I'll go on third.
We're going on third. We got range.
Oh, my bad. No.
You're good.
You need guys stay on the second one. The other problem is it's fine and it gets mortar well set.
Hey, how do you order something?
I think it's alright. Wait till it's staying on this one. I think shoot
JR, can you watch the staircase? Goddamn right. I'm just scoping the scenario.
This guy's too hot for a door.
Oh yeah, I remember this floor. This floor is shitty.
This is for when it gets shitty.
Okay. I can't shoot indoors with this. It's too hot.
It's too hot?
Yeah, FPS is too high.
So you can't shoot indoors?
I can, it's just I feel bad.
What's it shooting at?
Like 450
What's that?
FPS.
How many joules?
I think it's like 2.
Holy shit, yeah.
Yeah.
Mine was that high, I just turned it down.
Yeah, I feel bad.
Yeah. Well, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm leaving my grenade there.
here. I'm like, well, maybe they'll come back.
Hey,
I came here first.
hey, you're radioing with people? Let people. Are you radioing with people in here?
Yeah, I got
Let them know to say something if they're coming up. Like if they made it past second floor or something, just yell something.
You got 3 guys coming from the right side.
Right side. 3 guys coming from the right. 3 guys coming from the. 3 guys coming on the right. Where?
You're laying down right in front of me, that guy? Where are they?
They got a ghillie, remember that. Are they coming on this side now? Okay.
They're on the right side, moving up on the right.
They're moving up now. I just shot at a few over there. What's up, man?
Try to make sure that they think that the stinger's here
That's what we're doing.
as much as we can. I bet you their plan.
Hey, you guys got to move that box to the second floor. Move it to the second floor in that corner.
I bet you their mission is to get that mortar so they can start hitting the building.
Yeah. Well, we're watching it. No, not the first floor. Put it on the second floor. Mind games.
It's right here.
Where?
Behind those old things over here.
Oh, yeah, we got it.
We got moving.
Where?
Tree line moving.
People walking this
left
way.
to right.
Yeah, people coming into the field.
Hey, make sure you watch your fire right underneath those 3 buildings out there, the blue ones. Yep. Our allies right there. Just be
Okay.
careful. Well, we got guys moving left to right. Enemy. It's that kid with the AA-12 on the back.
Brandon, there's a grenade up here behind you and a pistol there if you need it.
Where's the prison grenade?
Right there, that one right there, yeah. Don't point at it though. You heard me yell, they think it's here.
I wasn't sure if it was like stand by. Yeah, we got
He's in the woods over here on the left.
one guy coming up on the stick.
See him? Kind of moving around.
I told you guys about it. There's one guy moving this way. I don't see one. I can't remember that.
Oh no, you're the medic, don't peek out too much, remember that. You're the only medic. Oh no, he's the medic, I forgot. Hey,
You go to the bridge.
hey, you're the medic, remember. You don't want to get hit from a sniper, that guy's in a ghillie.
Oh yeah, don't worry, I'll be okay.
Alright,
I'll give you my head.
so I can't revive you.
JR! Stay down, stay down, stay down.
They're coming from the bridge, right to the right. You guys
Yeah.
I'm looking for him. Just don't get shot, medic.
Now the tree line's going. You know what? If I'm gonna be up here.
I'm scared for that ghillie. I don't know where that ghillie's at.
Got level 4 plates in this thing.
You're like the only person who can't have that.
That's off the lane.
JR, how you looking?
Yo, you seeing something? You seeing something? Over there? We're looking good right now.
Oh, I think that.
Are they gonna go for it or what? There we go. Now we're getting some action.
You guys good?
No, we need some people over here.
I'm here. We're
I got this
good.
red building at 12 o'clock.
We're good.
There's 2 enemies on the backside. One's
Yep.
open. One's moving across the open.
I'm watching the back right side.
Head to the right side, head to the right side where you're looking at it now. The people going from the left side of the barricade to the right.
Shit. This is across. Far back. Against his, see him?
No. Oh, he's hit. Oh. JR's having a good time down there.
Saw the kid running.
Nope.
Hey, you guys see those kids?
Are they coming to the right? Did they make it to the right? The only entrance is that front door. We don't let them in that front door.
How's second floor doing?
How's our medic?
Hey, move by the orange containers.
The fuck are these guys at, man?
Back by the container.
Oops. Shooting lasers, boy. Don't peek that. Coming far.
I'd like to know how many BBs that kid goes through in a day. I'd like to know how many BBs I just almost got hit by.
Hey, you getting shot from that way? Fuck.
I don't know. I'm kind of over here.
I need you to cover my back while I peek this window.
Oh, I'm telling you, you almost fucking died, dog. I heard somebody running at us. Yeah. Alright, make sure.
Oh. Hit him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Let's go. Got your ass, boy. Don't worry, I got you, Brandon.
Damn!
Where from?
Straight back by the right side of the barrier. He can see you, huh?
Oh, I got his ass. I got something for you. Oh, he's dead. I got him. Got him. Do they get a respawn?
Yeah.
I want to know where the ghillie's at.
I think this mortar suit might be one of their objectives.
We got a dead guy over here.
Where? It's just too quiet.
Something's not right.
What the fuck?
Hey, you seeing people that way? Where? Got him.
Yeah, that was a guy yelling at Seth. Shit. Hey, downstairs.
I know. We got to cover here. Brandon. Brandon.
Seth, we need your help.
What's going on? I'm holding them off from down low from getting in. They're coming right side! Right side! One straight out there, duck.
Alright, we got a whole team on this right here, dude. We need to.
We gotta hold them off from them
If
stairs.
you drop your grenade down the staircase, you'll get a fucking bunch.
Go.
You gotta be kidding.
Was our medic good? Where were you fighting him? Come on.
Yeah, I didn't love you. Okay. I just didn't feel like walking all the way back.
Medic!
What's up?
Medic!
Admin on the second floor, bed landing. Admin on the second floor landing.
Hey, dead man walking, alright?
Are we safe down there?
Yeah, let's do it now.
Oh shit! Brandon, sniper! Sniper!
Are you hit? I'm walking out of jammed up.
What?
Dead man walking! Dead man coming down! 2 dead men coming down! 2 dead men coming down! Alright, cool. Cause your shit sounds like motherfucking hurt.
Admin around the corner. Yeah, you're good. That one didn't go off, so you're fucking hand.
We can't let him get this crate.
Dead man coming upstairs! Dead man coming upstairs!
You're good. Oh, medic staff.
Should have stayed up here.
Oh no, I did. I got like 7 kills and was coming up.
Yeah, if you're dead,
Dead man walking out!
if you're dead, get out now. Weird thing to scream. Are you not dead? If you're dead, move.
Dead man walking out!
If you're dead, you can come out of the way, guys. Do the line of fire if you're dead. Hey, whoever just threw the peace sign to me, are you dead?
You guys get to the second square and I'm just sitting there waiting for it.
You want to multi-cam? That's good. Gotcha. Do we have guys upstairs?
Yep.
Across the way, it's 2-story. 2-story bed across the way.
Do we have friendlies upstairs? Upstairs.
What time?
Hey, are you upstairs is there? Okay, thank you.
Dead man walking downstairs! Dead man walking downstairs! Watch out! Dead man coming downstairs!
Is it friendlies?
No.
Dead man walking. Really look down the face. Okay, just stay there a minute. Thank you.
I was getting lit up from one of these. Get down.
Yeah, there's a whole team below us. You hear them though?
Let me go check on our prison. Give me 2 seconds. They seem all right for now. Nobody's there. Just wait and keep quick peeking it and let me know. Don't even do that. Don't risk getting shot. Just peek with your head.
Somebody peeks that way. Is it one of those like one use fucking? Yes. Fucking floor.
Not yet. Not yet.
We can't hold this.
Yes, we can. Over there will do nothing.
You know what I'm saying? I can't hold her here.
What? Let's get a
here first. Yeah.
Waiting for a ding. Wow. And this is why I'm waiting for her to come back. You can see that there. Oh, here you go. We're one of the end. It's going to be overpressure. Go ahead and build it first. I love it. I think it's a ton of fun. I think it's afterwards. Because if you don't, you're fucking idiot.
You guys still find that working or
It's a fucking, so what it is, it's not the same as it's where
You got a phone. You do that again, I'll shoot it.
That hit. Huh?
Check this thing.
Fuck. Might have just got hit.
Come up here.
Shoot the staircase.
Is one hitting? Are you dead?
Yeah, I got hit.
Sorry.
That's technically blind firing.
My head's peeked up.
Oh, that's, you know what? Whatever.
There's one on stairs still.
Technically, I'm in a totally different room.
Brandon.
Watch out.
Go first.
Sit.
We have another grenade.
That's a smoke.
Nope, there's a grenade in here. What's wrong?
I got it.
They're on stairs.
Everybody has grenades except for
I would carry him, but mine detonated on me last time.
Admin around the corner. I'm just collecting the shells.
Thank you.
Admin. Just holding on to them so no one loses them. Okay, I guess I'll wait out. I'm running out a little bit.
Yeah. Got nowhere better to go.
Dead man walking! Dead man walking! Yeah, hey dead man. Yada. Dead walking.
Grab that grenade. Fake it.
Dead walking.
Yeah, saving it. Fuck it. Throw it in there.
Anybody else coming down dead?
Negative.
Alright. Keep shooting.
Shit, sniper. Get out of there.
You need to watch the stairs though.
I was absolutely let you shoot him. You're right. But the problem is people are sick. Yeah. And the same sort of one of my favorite people on the planet. Airsoft is the first airsoft.
No, it's just fucking thing. Keep building.
I sure it's not like someone fucking.
No, I'm tired.
Okay, then you're good. It's hot as fuck. Yeah. No, it's not that. Sometimes it's fucking fucking oven.
Holy shit.
Seth, I need you to get your gun together, man.
Are you really doing that?
I'm not putting anything in it.
I know, I'm saying it's hilarious.
We used both our grenades. So.
Because we had a gap when we were rolling.
I don't know how that's how it works, but
It's just gonna be a fake.
I'm the last one. If you want some confirmation.
Oh yeah?
I believe that
I
as
think
far
so.
as I
That's
can
what
throw
I'm-
you.
Pretty sure I was the last one standing. Just explode your teammate for the third time. Dead? Never been up here. I want to see how it is. It's kind of cool up here. Cool.
Yeah!